कहा कि पूरे हरियाणा में कांग्रेस की लहर है। मैं कहती हूं,
Priyanka Gandhi leading Congress's charge in Haryana as the countdown to polling day sets in. The brother-sister duo did 3 rallies through the day, starting from Narayangarh and ending in Kurukshetra. From farmers, jawans to sportspersons, Priyanka accused the BJP of insulting the people of the state, urging voters to throw out those who talk of changing the constitution. Another highlight was the presence of both Bhupinder Hooda and Kumari Selja on stage with Rahul and Priyanka. The message was clear: no rift within the Congress.
शैलजा जी ने कहा कि यहाँ कांग्रेस की लहर है। हुडा जी ने भी कहा कि पूरे हरियाणा में कांग्रेस की लहर है। मैं कहती हूँ, ये आपके सम्मान की लहर है। और किसी भी राजनीतिक दल ने आपको बांटने की कोशिश की और आप बट जाएंगे, आप इनके बहकावे में आ जाएंगे, तो आपको अपना सम्मान वापस नहीं मिलेगा।
Haryana election campaign is in full swing, and you have seen Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi. They are holding a rally at Narayangarh, and from here they will kickstart their road show from here. What they are trying to do, what we have seen, they are trying to make a huge momentum among the voters of Haryana, and now this road show will be started from Narayangarh after addressing the people of Haryana.
Rahul Gandhi went into his Yatra mode, launching the Haryana Sankalp Yatra. Addressing a rally in Dadri, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh hit back at Mallikarjun Kharge's comment about staying alive until Prime Minister Modi is removed from power.
अब मेरे को तो 83 years चल रहे, इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ। जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूंगा।
कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष हैं, मैं उनकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूं। आयु में हम लोगों से बहुत बड़े हैं। परमात्मा करे कि आप 125 वर्ष तक जिंदा रहें और 125 वर्ष तक जिंदा रहें और तब तक मोदी जी भी भारत के प्रधानमंत्री बने रहें।
This comes after Union Home Minister Amit Shah's response on social media to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Amit Shah accused the Congress President of outperforming himself and being disgraceful. He said this was a display of spite and that he dragged the Prime Minister into personal health matters. He also said, as for the health of Mallikarjun Kharge, may he continue to live for many years to see the creation of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. It's a high-stakes battle for both the BJP and the Congress in the Haryana dangle, with both parties facing challenges. The countdown to voting on the 5th of October has begun, and all party bigwigs are giving it their all. With Gurpreet Chinna, Bureau Report, NDTV.